Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck and today I'm feeling myself. Dorsanee hair sent me over this gorgeous full lace wig and I'm going to be doing a quick, simple, easy, very beginner friendly install for those of you who want to indulge. Of course, I have the direct link to this beauty down below with all of the details. Get a load of the luster and how gorgeous this one is. And I didn't add any product to the ends. The hair is super soft, very easy to manage. And did I mention this is a full lace wig? So you'll see in the video you can part it any and every way you like. You can even do like half up, half downs, top knot buns. This is the ultimate wig for the girl who wants to have fun and style her in many ways. So I'm gonna go ahead and head out for a dance with the girls. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, happy Wednesday to me. Happy hump day. Happy whatever day in the world it is for you. Today I've teamed up with Dorsanee and they sent me over a full lace wig. Yeah! I got so excited. I dropped the unit. Let's go ahead and get started. As I mentioned, today we've teamed up with Dorsanee and they sent me over this beautiful silky straight full lace wig. Absolutely gorgeous straight wig. Nice and full in density. Sometimes full lace wigs are a little bit more sparse. So this one has a little weight to it, which is a good thing. So it's not too like see-through or thin. This is what it looks like all around. This is technically considered the front. It's nicely pre-plucked and they did also include some baby hairs right here. You'll be able to go in and customize and add or take away whatever you like. And then when you flip it around, there's also, of course, lace in the back. It's a full lace wig. And this is what the back look like. You can go ahead and trim that, or not how you say it, thin it out and like make baby hair back there if you want. It's the perfect blank canvas, but I am noticing that there are some baby hairs already pre-done in the back. This is the back right here, so you can like curl those under and make some little faux little sideburns, edges. You know how we do. When you flip the wig completely inside out, this is the best way to kind of show you guys what's going on underneath. This again is a full lace wig, so you guys can see this technically is considered the front. You can't say how many inches of parting space there is because there's an unlimited amount of parting space, and so that's really nice. When you hit it to the back, you do have your adjustable strap back here as well as your larger or your comb, and then excess lace here that you'll cut off before you put the wig on. And then in the middle you do have your adjustable and removable elastic band. Take it out should you not want it, or keep it and adjust it should you want it. And then on the sides you do get not one but two additional combs, so you have 3 in total. The center does look different than the outer as far as this full lace wig goes, and that's not just with this one, it is with all. So in the center, this is still going to give you the scalp like finish, but it just makes the wig not be so flimsy. This is an investment. All wigs are an investment no matter how much they cost, but if the entire wig was made out of this lace, it would be more expensive. And I feel like the middle part is a little bit more sturdy, if you will, and also the least likely to be seen. So I hope I'm making sense there. Step 1 for me is I'm going to cut off the back half of the lace. And so there is like a demarcation, I guess, where they sew the front and the back together on each side. And this kind of will line up similar to like where your ears are if the wig was actually on. And you can put it on to see for yourself before you do this. But I'm going to take, this is considered the back of the wig. I'm going to take from this side to this side of these little demarcations and cut off all the lace where the markers are. And that's just going to leave me with the lace in the front, and we can cut that off with the wig on. But the lace in the back needs to be cut off before you put the wig on so that you can actually see. If that makes sense. Okay, so we went ahead and removed the back half, and as you guys can see, you'll see like a strand or two of hair on there, but we didn't cut into the wig. If you find that you want to customize yours to like mimic your hairline, you may have to cut into the wig to do that, especially in the front. So don't be afraid to do that if it's going to make your wig feel better or like fit better, but also be cautious cutting into the wig. So once we cut that off, this is what we're left with. So essentially this is the back as we said, and then this is the front and what we will cut off when the wig is on. So from here, what we can also do is adjust the straps and tint the lace. I'm gonna go in with the Ruby Kisses powder. So maybe, yeah, let's just do the 15, and I'm just gonna buff it heavy into the lace underneath. That way it's a full lace wig. It's already kind of like lightly tinted, and then from there we can like add tint at the hairline and things once we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna adjust the straps, and then we're gonna be on our way to put the wig on. Okay, so this is what we look like on. Check the décolleté. Is that how you say it? Like the little neckline? You guys know I've been many different weights in the last 11 years of me being on YouTube, which it is my YouTubeversary, or was last week. And I have been in the gym for 3 days, and I've been doing a little bit of keto, a little bit of carnivore, and I feel like I'm starting to see it, because I haven't weighed in quite yet, but I'm starting to see it a little bit, because we're about to be snatched and skinny for the summer. Stay tuned for the, you know, outfit content once we get fine and snatched. But this is what the wig looks like on. You'll see a little bit of brunette color in the front, just because that was from tinting the lace. The wig so far fits nice and snug. I am going to pull it forward, and again, I like the fullness and the texture on this one. So this is what the wig looks like when you brush it out and put it on. Very gorgeous, very demure. I hate matching clips, but we gotta go because you know it's 2:59. We're gonna leave by 3:15. But this is what the hair looks like pulled back. A better close-up of the hairline. I think it's perfectly done. Let's go ahead and cut the excess lace off and bond it down. So let's go ahead and do some baby hair really quickly. Okay, so this is what the baby hair is giving so far. It's gonna look better after I melt it, and I know I'm all over the place, but I gotta leave in like 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and finish up the hairline. I'm gonna take my wax and we're gonna do the dynamic duo up front. She looks absolutely fire. This is my perfect type of Instagram baby hair, and I didn't like customize the hairline, and it's also like almost like imperfect, and I really love that. Like it's not straight across, it's kind of like got its own thing, and it looks more like a realistic hairline. Let's go ahead and tint the hairline, and then I'm going to put a melt belt on and take the girls to dance because it's 3:16 and we're fine. It only takes me about 30 minutes to get there now, like 20 something minutes. So I'm fine, but by the time I use the restroom, grab a beverage like a coffee and a snack and help the kids get in the car, 3:30 is gonna come real quick. And I'm learning not to rush as much in 2025. Like waiting to the very dead dog last minute to do things and then like rushing, all the anxiety builds up. It's not good on your heart. I really like the no parting vibe like this, especially with the heavy baby hair. Straight on, I think it gives very feminine and it's very becoming. Okay, so I'm trying to decide what I want to do, a center part or a side part. If we go side part, let's see. I feel like this eats, ooh, that eats even more. So let's just go side part. This one is has so much volume that I'm gonna take my time and just go in and do the dynamic duo. So you guys can listen to some music. She cute. Okay, let's tint the lace. You guys already know Ruby Kisses. This is the powder in 15. Okay, ladies, the hair is eating. I initially wanted to add some curls, which you guys already know this is my wig, so eventually I will. But today I feel like the bone straight needs a moment. It's giving very, very, very silky, and we add no product to get this beautiful look. The color is so rich. The luster, the natural luster of it is absolutely amazing. I love this one so much. Okay, love bugs, brief intermission before we head out of here. I wanted to show you guys some specs on this wig. You guys seen it as a side part, but you haven't really seen the full deal. I'm gonna let you guys listen to some music, and we're just gonna play with it and just see what we come up with. I also want to show you guys, you know, the full parting, if you will. So let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, so now that you've seen all the details on that, let's get right back into the video. Okay, really quickly, this is what she looks like set as a center part. This is actually my favorite way to wear any wig. You guys know I'm a bust down middle part girl through and through. It doesn't even matter what texture of hair it is. This just works best for me. I think that it just looks good to me, like face on. It's my preference. And then also, because I'm a mom, I'm very much like, as soon as I remove myself from the cameras, tuck the hair behind the ears and proceed to do the mamiana thing. So it's always easier just to have something that is easy to go ahead and just throw it back, if you will, and it looks gorgeous while we're at it. Let's go ahead and show you guys the hair from the back. The camera is about to go on, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch out the battery, and then I'm gonna show you guys like the parting in the back. Now I'm just gonna take and lightly part it in the back. Keep in mind my braids in the back are absolutely not together, so the parting back there is gonna be not so straight and maybe even a little bit lumpy, but I just want you guys to see that this is a full lace wig. So hopefully I'm able to give you guys a really good rundown of what two pigtails will look like in the front and what the lace space could potentially look like. Very cutesy, very demure, very gym girl era. Let's see what it looks like from the back. Pray for me. Hopefully you guys were able to see what it looks like, but this is like the perfect, like, ready to go to the gym look, ready to throw a hat on look. And you don't even have to throw on the hat because the back isn't showing tracks, it's actually showing lace, which is top 10. Okay, so let's get right back into the video. Okay, love bugs, we are pretty much done with this look. You were able to see me go ahead and style this one You were able to see me go ahead and install this one. Very simple, no hassle at all. The hairline is absolutely popping with the very nice Instagram baby hair. The ends are nice and like healthy, and they have a nice luster without adding any product and also without weighing the hair down. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend this one. It's a full lace wig, but it has enough density so you don't feel like you gotta add a track or a bundle. As I mentioned, this one did come from Dorsanee, and this is the packaging here. Mine did get a little bit mangled, but it gives that little luxury vibe with the orange, kind of like the Hermes vibe. Inside we did get a few goodies. For starters, we did get this hot pink baby hair brush, and I really like the color on that. We also got a pack of HD wig caps. They also provided us a melt belt, which matches that baby hair brush, and it's really, really nice with the Dorsanee logo on it. And then last but most certainly not least, we did get our dust bag, and I love, love, love the logo on this, which also has like that beautiful logo in the middle. So you guys already know I'm a dance mom, and it's a Thursday evening, so I'm headed out for 2 classes tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the details, including a direct to this one, down below. below in the description box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think and leave any suggestions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.